In this video, I'm going to share how to connect Claude to Granola in 2 minutes. You're going to first go to the Add Files, Connectors, and More. Scroll on down to Connectors. You'll see I have a number of different MCP connectors here. You're going to go to Manage Connectors to manage your own connectors. And I already have Granola added into my account. You can see all of the access it has. But if I go ahead and disconnect it to show you how to start from scratch, I'm going to go to the Connectors Plus, browse connectors, and just start typing Granola. And Granola is right here as a native connector inside of Claude. What you have to do next is sign in, and now you can start using your connector. Now, to quick recap before we begin to use it, connectors, Granola is now activated. If you go to Manage Tools and select Granola, you can see all the different permissions it has. For now, we'll say, hey, Claude, connect with my Granola and pull me the notes from my morning walk today. I'm going to give Claude the prompt, and Claude will, via Granola MCP connection, take the call and the information from this morning, query it. You can select Always Allow if you'd like. And it's using Granola MCP as a tool. And Claude is giving me a summary of what I covered today on my morning walk. Now, of course, what I can do is continue my conversation here, and I can also ask it to do other things with my other connectors. That is how you get Claude set up with Granola in under 2 minutes. Quick recap: connectors, manage connectors, Granola, browse, add it to your account, and you should be all set.